Here I have HTC U23 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool, which might help you eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you do is you put this tool inside this hole on the slot, slightly press it, slot pops out. Now we can eject it with our bare hands. So here from one side you insert SIM card, and from other side you insert SD card. And then you put it back into device, just like this. Oh. So as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's also SD card must appear in files. So we have to go to some kind of file manager. Okay, maybe in settings. We go to storage section, and now we have SD card section here. It's called Android, but it's literally our SD card. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.